First, let's quickly tenderize the chicken breasts. Then cut them into strips. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a large pan. Then add the chicken. Sear it for 2 minutes on medium-high heat. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and a bit of black pepper to taste. After a gentle stir, close the lid and cook for 7 to 8 minutes on medium to low heat. My lid has a steam hole. If yours doesn't, leave the lid slightly open. After the chicken releases its water and starts to absorb it back, open the lid and fry until the surface is a bit golden brown. Well, I recommend using a non-stick pan. Don't use a sticky pan like I did. Grate 2 garlic cloves in. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of any hot sauce. After a gentle stir, turn off the heat. And finally, add the juice of half a lemon and 2 teaspoons of honey. It smells so amazing and looks yummy. Let's see how it tastes. Let's serve it up and try it. There's no fresh mint left, so I'm using dry mint instead, which still works really well with the honey and lemon. Here we go. Let me try some for you. This is sweet, spicy, and totally addictive. Can't stop eating. So good. Please don't forget to subscribe and give the video a like. Also, don't be shy. Say hi in the comments. I'd love to talk with you there. See you next time.